Hey friends, this is Miss Addison. We are going to go over the lesson plans and schedule for the 6th week of school. Now that we are officially done with testing, our schedule is back to normal and I am so excited. So a couple of things that I want to point out before we go over the lesson plans is when we log into Google Classroom, remember our work now is sorted by the day that it is assigned. So for Monday's work, you click on Monday, Tuesday, click on Tuesday, and so on. On Wednesday, you guys will have assignments in your My Book as well as in your investigations book. So when you are done with those assignments, you will need to take a picture of them and upload them into this Word document right here. So you will take a picture of your many kinds of matter pages and put them in this box. On the second page, you're taking a picture of your investigations work and putting it here. If you're not sure how to take a picture of an assignment and upload it, there is a video in our how-to videos that will help you. So if you're not sure how to do it, you can click on the how-to videos right here, and it is called Adding Pictures to Google Docs right here. It's a video that Ms. Harden made, so you can click on that to learn how to upload those pictures so that we can check your assignments. So looking at our weekly schedule, we start every day with breakfast and watching Miss Mangum do the morning announcements on Facebook. At 9 o'clock, we have enhancements. We do have a new PE teacher, so his Google Classroom code is right here. So make sure you sign up for his Google Classroom if you have not already. In order to add his Google Classroom to yours, you will click this arrow right here. And you'll click join class, and then you will put his code in the box, and that will let you join his classroom so that you can see his work. At 10 o'clock each day, we will have a Google Meet for reading, and then you will have work in your Into Reading classroom. If the assignment says GC beside of it, remember that does mean that it's in Google Classroom for you to complete. Something that's important is if obviously we want everyone to be at the meetings when possible so that you're staying up to date and you're being included in those conversations and discussions that we have. However, if you are unable to make a meeting one day and it says if you missed the meeting for that day, make sure you are watching those videos because there were important skills or important information that was covered in the meeting that day that you need to watch before you do your work. So make sure if you miss a meeting, you are watching those videos underneath it where it says if you missed the meeting. And those are there for Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. So at 11 o'clock, we have our reading, science, and social studies time. During this time, we are practicing our spelling words, our sight words, and our vocabulary words. And all of those are in Google Classroom. On Friday, you're watching a What Matters video and completing a States of Matter sort. That is also in Google Classroom. And then at 1 o'clock, we have math. We will have a Google Meet each day at 1 o'clock, with the exception of Wednesday. And you guys are going to be working on comparing and ordering 2-digit numbers this week. And most of these math assignments are in Google Classroom for you. There's also, because we're going to be talking about odd and even numbers, there's an odd and even numbers poster here for you guys to look at to help you with that. At 2 o'clock, you are working on Lexia or Dreambox, depending on the day, and then doing work in progress. Work in progress means that you are completing any work that you haven't finished yet. So that might be work from earlier in the day, it might be work from the day before, or for some of you, it might even be work from the previous week. So after you do your 20 minutes of Lexia and Dreambox, that is time that you can work on your work in progress. And we can see how many minutes you're spending on Lexia and Dreambox, so please make sure that you are staying on it for the full 20 minutes every day. And then we end our day with you guys filling out the exit tickets. There's a checklist down here for you to make sure that you are completing all of your work. So make sure at the end of the week you're making sure that all of this is done. And you can also submit your assignments daily in Google Classroom. So on Monday, when you're finished, you can click on the assignment and then you can turn it in daily. So that way we can check it and provide you with feedback. If you have any questions, let me know.